Hey y'all, it's Friday morning and your pencil should be ready for speed drill 14. We're having a Zoom meeting after this for our language, so we should just get started right away. Speed drill 14. 1, 2, 3, go. Pencils down. Have pencils ready to score. 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. 1 pound is 16 ounces. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. 1 metric ton equals 1,000 kilograms. 31, 28, 30, 31, 31, 30. Top of the second column, 225, 169, 0.75, 0.5, 0.25. Diameter is 2 times the radius. Radius is half the diameter. 180, 360, 90 degrees. All right, turn back to lesson 14. Allie, pick a number between 1 and 5. All right, you picked 4. Great. Get your hands up. You can stay where you're seated, but we need to do some exercise. All right, we're going to do 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. All right, I hope you helped me with that so I don't look so awkward doing it by myself. All right, great. So our brains are all active and our minds are ready to learn. On page 50, go to the top of the page where it says when estimating. Follow along while I read it. When estimating in multiplication, if you round both factors down, the estimate will be smaller than the exact number. You can look at the examples that they give you. Go to the second paragraph where it says when you round. When you round both factors up, the estimate will be larger than the exact answer. Look at those examples. The third paragraph, when you round one factor up and one factor down, the estimate will tend to be very close to the exact answer. It'll balance each other. So let's go to our instructions, and we're gonna do a couple together so you know what we're talking about, and we can put into practice. The instructions are round to the nearest 10 to estimate. Then write if your estimate will be larger, both will be rounded up, or smaller, both are rounded down, or close, when one is rounded up, one is rounded down. All right, the first one shows you how. Oh, bummer, let's not do that one. Okay, let's do 2A, 21 and 93. Their instructions are round to the nearest 10. All right, you can do the circle method. If you don't want to, you can do it in your head. 21 is rounded to 20, 93 is rounded to 90. Are they both rounded up, down, or one of each? We both rounded them down. So, our second answer we would do, it says it is close. Wrong. What am I thinking? It's not close. They're both rounded down. So our estimate answer will be smaller than the exact answer. Okay? Or small. Okay. I don't know, I'm gonna write small. Okay, now our first answer, we actually solve for this. Now how do we solve for this when it's really big? Well, if you just multiply the products first of all. So 9 times 2 is 18. Then add your 2 zeros because there's 2 zeros in both factors. So our answer is 1,800. And our estimate 1,800 is smaller than the exact answer would be if we would multiply 21 times 93. Okay? We both rounded them down. Let's go to 2B. 55 times 27. Let's round to the nearest 10. 55 rounded to the nearest 10 is 60. We rounded up to 60. 27 rounded to the nearest 10 is 30. We rounded up. Okay. So let's go ahead and multiply and find our product. 6 times 3 is 18. We add a 0 and a 0. Oh, same answer. This is 2b. Hopefully you can see where we're at, 2b. All right? Since we rounded both answers up, our estimate answer will be larger than our exact answer would have been. Larger. Okay? Let's do 1b. We're on 1b. 63 times 38. You can start. See if you can beat me. Okay? 63, round to the nearest 10 would be 60, we round it down. 38, round to the nearest 10 would be 40, we round it up. Okay, you can even draw arrows to help you remember, did you round up or did you round down? Let's multiply our two factors. 60 times 40, well, multiply 6 times 4 is 24. Now we have 2 zeros in both factors, so we're going to add the 2 zeros. 2,400. That's our estimate answer. We rounded down, first factor, we rounded up the second factor. Our estimate answer would be very close to the exact answer if we would have multiplied 63 times 38. Very close, all right? Do the rest by yourself. If you would get stuck, ask me. I felt like I was a little bit scattered in this lesson, so hopefully you followed, and if you didn't, send me a text and I'll help you. Just remember, if you round one factor down, one factor up, it's close. The estimate answer is close. If you round both down, it's smaller. The estimate answer is smaller, and if you round both up, the estimate answer is larger. All right. Great job, y'all. Have a wonderful Friday, and I'll see you in a little bit.